How to change individual app notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. On this page, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on any app. For example, Calendar. You can manage the app notification settings from here. In the Alert section, go to Sounds. You can view all the available alert tones over here. Select the sound that you want. After that, go back to the Notifications page. And then, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. You can now repeat the same to change the alert sound for this app as well. Following these steps, you can easily change individual app notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.